Rail does. We are up at the railroad yards, and the rail riders are getting ready to take off. I'll tell you what, I'm not going to aim around there, but the sun is in the exact wrong position to be heading out. I was up here taking some measurements because I'm trying to see if I can make a rail bike out of the Honda. And the little bit dog likes to, oh, there she goes, waltz around up here. If there's nobody up here, I don't even use the leash. But that's where we are this evening. Look how long my shadow is. Hello. Here they come. I don't know if that's one unit or two. Here they come. Come here, Bit. They're putting down the crossing gates. Looks like they have two units together. They haven't let the other one go down yet. And that sun is right in the old eyeballs. You got me tied up again. Thank you. So we're going to continue our walk. Thank you.